JEE Advanced 2023 paper 1 question we have. Let x be a set, okay, x comma y which belongs to z, x square by 8 plus y square by 20 is less than 1 and y square is less than 5 we have, 5x. Three distinct points P, Q, R are randomly chosen from the set X. Then the probability that P, Q, R form a triangle whose area is what? A positive integer. Okay. So we have x square by 8 plus y square by 20. Okay. फर्स्ट वन वी आर टेकिंग इक्वल टू 1 यानी कि एक इलिप्स हमारे पास है. ओके. Likewise. Then second curve we have y square is equal to 5x. Our region is what? The inside region of both. This one. In this one we have to choose points. Okay. Integer points because x and y both are what? Integer. So first one, if we will find this point of intersection of both the curves, यानी कि x square by 8 plus 5x by 20 is equal to 1. यानी कि x square by 8 plus x by 4 is equal to 1. तो x square plus 2x is equal to 8 we will get. तो x square plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. So x square plus 4x minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. So x plus 4 we have and x minus 2. So here we are getting x is equal to minus 4 and x is equal to 2. So x equal to 2 point we have this one. If x is equal to 2, so y we will get what? Root over 10. Okay. Now integer points we have to find in this one. So this point is what? 2 comma minus of root 10. Okay. So if we are going with integer points, so boundary points are not included because here equality sign is not there. Okay. So inside the boundary point we have to find. So here we have one line, x equal to 1 line and x equal to 2 line. In the x equal to 2 line, highest we can go up to root 10. Okay. Root 10 means greater than 3. यानी कि 2 comma 3 we have. Okay. 2 comma 2 we have. 2 comma 1 we have. 2 comma 0 we have. Okay. Then 2 comma minus 1. 2 comma minus 2 and 2 comma minus 3. On x equal to 1 we have to check. Okay. So if we will substitute x equal to 1, so y square is equal to 5 यानी कि y is equal to root 5. Okay. यानी कि root 5 greater than 2. Okay. यानी कि we have 1 comma 2, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 0, 1 comma minus 1 and 1 comma minus of 2. These points we have. So total जो points हमारे पास है, total point that are 12. Okay. Now we have to find area which is what? Integer. अब integer area के लिए देखो यहाँ पे यदि मैं height और base को चूज करता हूँ तो height जो है या फिर base है वो हमेशा क्या है? 1 है. तो या तो height को आपको 2 चूज करना पड़ेगा या फिर base को 2 चूज करना पड़ेगा, तभी आपके पास जाके पॉजिटिव है वो इंटीजर में आंसर आएगा बिकॉज एरिया इज व्हाट? हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट. तो दोनों में से एक आपको क्या चाहिए? मल्टीपल ऑफ 2 चाहिए. ओके. चलिए. ओके. सो इफ यू विल चूज 2 पॉइंट फ्रॉम दिस वन, तो ये जो 2 पॉइंट आप किस तरह से सेलेक्ट कर सकते हो इसमें से, वो आपको देखना होगा. ओके. सो दीज 2 पॉइंट्स वी कैन सेलेक्ट बाय द गैप ऑफ 2, बाय द गैप ऑफ 4 या बाय द गैप ऑफ 6 या फिर बाय द गैप ऑफ 8 यानी कि मल्टीपल ऑफ 2. सो total 7 points we have: 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. If we are going with gap of 2, so gap of 2, 1 2 3 4 and 5 possibilities we have. Okay, so 5. Now if we are going with gap of 4, तो gap of 4 we have 1 2 3 and 4, 1 2 and 3 possibility. If you are going with gap of 6, so only one possibility we have, so 1. Okay, so if we will choose 2 point from this one, so these are the possibilities, 5 plus 3 plus 1, यानी कि 9 possibilities we have. Any point we can choose from this one. So 5C1 में से कोई भी एक point and 2 points we can choose from this one by using 9 ways. Plus from this 7 point we can choose any one point, so 7C1. Now from this 5 points we have to choose 2 point by the gap of 2 or 4 or 6. So total 5 points we have, 1 2 3 4 and 5. If we are going with gap of 2, so 1 2 and 3 possibilities. If we are going with gap of 4, the gap of 4 we have only one possibility. Okay, so total 4. So यहाँ से आ जाएगा 45 plus 28, 73. So अपनी जो फेवरेबल केसेस है वो कितने हैं, 73. ओके, 73 ट्राइंगल्स ऐसे बन रहे हैं जिनका एरिया है वो क्या आ रहा है, इंटीजर आएगा आपके पास. अब टोटल क्या हो जाएंगे, देखो उन्होंने कहा कि कोई भी आप रैंडमली पॉइंट सेलेक्ट करना, उसने ये नहीं कहा कि एरिया है वो 0 हो सकता है या नहीं हो सकता है ना, रैंडमली कोई भी आप 3 पॉइंट चूज करोगे तो 12C3. ओके, यानी कि 70 रिक्वायर्ड प्रोबेबिलिटी इज व्हाट, 73 अपॉन 12C3. तो 73 अपॉन 220, 12C3 वैल्यू इज 220. So 73 upon 220 यानी कि ऑप्शन बी इज अवर करेक्ट आंसर.